Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shweta's Craftery. Today I will share the process of bottle decoupage with you all, but with a twist. We'll be using a twine to first create a texture and then doing the decoupage on that. Interesting, right? This technique can be used on different bases like a coaster, also which you can see right now on the screen. So let's get started. Here I am using a fabric glue to stick my twine with the bottle surface, but you can also use glue gun for the same. Here the trick is to keep rotating the bottle from one hand and pasting the twine with the other hand. Instead of cotton thread or a twine, we can use jute rope or twine made up of paper also. It totally depends upon what is available with you right now. Complete the process of pasting the twine on the whole bottle till its neck part. If you want, you can leave the upper part as it is. It totally depends upon the project. Remember, patience is the key to a beautiful project like this. I will be covering the whole bottle with the twine. Here I have completed the twining process, and our next step is to give a coat of white gesso. White gesso is a base primer for any decoupage project. I am using a normal sponge which is easily available in our household to cover the whole bottle. Here, as you can see, that white gesso is all dry right now. Now we will go to the next step, which is applying the tissue paper with the help of podge. Here I have taken a floral print tissue paper, and it is one of my favorite prints. I'm just checking the placement of the tissue paper so that we can use the best part of the design. Here I'll be using podge. Podge is a decoupage glue which works as a glue and a sealant. That's why it makes it a bit different than any other glue which is available in the market. Here I'm covering small part of bottle with podge, and then sticking the tissue paper with the help of a plastic sheet that you will see in the later part of the video. Using a plastic sheet will ensure that the tissue paper is stick to the bottle effectively without any creases on it. And here you need to keep applying the podge on remaining part of the bottle. Now seal the corners of the tissue paper. As you can see, it's done now. You will leave it to dry, and before that you will put another coat of Mod Podge on the tissue paper. This step is important because that will ensure that all the corners which is left are going to be sealed with the help of a Mod Podge.